Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu. Warm greetings to all. My name is S.A. Syed Ashraf and my register number is 6075. The topic I have chosen is the introduction to cost accounting. Okay, let's go into the topic. Introduction to cost accounting. First, what is the meaning of cost accounting? The cost accounting is the method of accounting for the costs. The process of cost accounting is to recording and accounting for all the elements of the cost is known as cost accounting. Next, what is the meaning of cost? Cost is the expenses incurred on the production of the commodity is known as cost. Next thing is costing. What is mean by costing? Methods and techniques to reduce the cost is known as costing. For example, what is meaning to reduce the cost? If you want to buy an iPhone, it is 70,000 in the store, but it is 2,000 less in the Flipkart. So which do you select? Always select the Flipkart because it is less. So all the people will choose the less cost for the iPhone. This technique is used in the costing. Next, we will see what are the objectives of the cost accounting. The primary objective of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost. It is done through many techniques and methods in it. Second, the basic function of cost accounting is the controller of the cost. Remedial actions are taken to control the cost. And third is reduction of cost. When we reduce the cost of buying, then only we can make profit in the business. Then fourth is fixation of selling price. When we sell the price, then only we can earn profit through it. And the fifth point is calculation of profit. When we make profit, then we can calculate it that our business is running in profit or loss. And sixth is cutting the wasteful expenditure, that is making the business to get low. And the sixth point is the last, decision making is the most important objective of cost accounting. Then only the business can run efficiently. Next, we go into the nature and scope of the cost accounting. Okay, nature. The essential usage of cost accounting is the selling price is the nature and controller of cost decision making from alternative uses. And then scope. We have a clear scope in the business and the information provided to the management of control cost and reduction of cost can help them by taking decision making to earn the profit to the business. It is applied in all science organizations and government and also local authorities, etc. Next, we are going to see what is meaning of cost unit. A cost unit is a unit of product or service or time which is expressed as ascertained like petrols in liters and areas in as square feet. In this ways, the cost unit is expressed like. Okay, next we go to the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. First, the purpose. The purpose of cost accounting is to the detailed cost information, but in financial accounting there should be detailed P&L account and balance sheet. Second, controlling. In cost accounting, the controlling is the cost, and in financial reporting control is held. Sorry. Third is decision making. In cost accounting, the decision makings are based on purchase, sales, production, and all events are take place in it. But in financial accounting, the decision making is very limited. Fourth is persons interested. In cost accounting, the management is the only one which is interested. But in financial accounting, the investors, employees, and the management all are very interested in it. Next heading, limitations of cost accounting. The limitations of cost accounting are lack of uniformity, second handed data, conventions, uncertainty, costly applicability, and ignorance on particular items. Last but not least, what is the difference between cost center and profit center? The responsibility of cost center is a segment of activity or area of responsibility for which costs are ascertained. Next, profit center. The responsibility of profit center is a segment or activity of a business for which both revenue and expenditure are benefited are identified. Second, the purpose of cost center are identified for account convenience and cost control. Next, profit center. The profit center purpose is created for decentralization of the operations. In cost centers, there is no target, but in profit centers, there is only one target is that is profit. But there are many cost centers, but there is less number of profit centers are available. The cost accounting has many advantages, but it is also have less disadvantages. The disadvantage of cost accounting is there is some indispensable tool to management for exercising effective decisions. The followings are them. It is costly to operate. Second, it is unnecessary. Third, it includes many forms and statements. Fourth, it may not be applicable in all types of industries. Fifth, it is based on essentials. That's all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Assalamu alaikum.